event handling. We will done some of the theory part. Now we need to do the practical along with theory. Okay. Go ahead,
Sure.
please.
Okay, so I'll start with events MD now.
Yes, it's already there. It's
Okay,
already
we have
there.
done.
Okay. Yes, yes. You just gone through whatever you not clear. Just gone through quickly and
Okay.
start the practical thing. I mean, practical code is already there in this MD file only.
Yeah, I saw that below it is there. Uh, where saw that code? Yeah, this
On
one.
top.
And the event.
On top. Yes, these are the some of the things
Yeah,
which you need to check. Write a code there. Okay.
sure. I'll do now.
Go up, little bit up. Hold on. No, no, no. Hold on. Why? When? Go down. Go down in this file. Go down, go down, go down. Submit a event. Hold on. Submit this. Go up. Click event. It's a click event. Okay.
Yeah,
Syntax. Yes. Start from this. Start from this.
click event.
Yes. So for that, what you require one HTML page. Okay. You require, you can say one HTML page you require is enough. Okay.
Okay.
So practice, create a one folder called practice inside this JavaScript. JavaScript under JavaScript folder practice and yes, under practice create, you can say this file, click
New
event
file.
in it's a
Yeah,
HTML file. In the you can say click event dot HTML. Yes. Just create a file there. You can say HTML. No. Type HTML only.
mm,
Don't angular bracket HTML only. Yes, HTML file. Now change the title to this
event.
click event. Okay,
Mm,
and you can say here what you need to do, create a new file called main.js. In a practice only, create a new file main.js.
main
Main.js. Main.js. Dot js.
JavaScript.
Yes.
Mm,
Now from MD file, copy that click code and paste into this MD file. Copy this code, click one. Yes. Go there. Go to your main.js file. Paste there. Now check the line number 1. What you understand from this?
So constant is variable button. Document dot get element by button. So there is a button um, name called BTN. We are calling that event here
So
and
means yes,
and
assigning this. Yes, sir. Go
assigning
ahead.
this to the button. Yeah, button variable.
Okay. Then what about this?
So event add event listener. I don't know what this event listener will do, but click function. There is a function method. In that function, you have got some actions to perform. So once you call this function, um, it will like button click. Once after the button is clicked, it will call this function and perform the action, and it will display as console.log as button clicked.
Okay. So you are good there. Add event is a method to attach a event with a particular element. Okay.
Hmm.
You earlier you don't know what is add event. Add event listener is a function
Hmm.
to attach a listener with a this. So what is listener when it will work and what it will do? You will need to define two things. It will listen a click event. Make sense?
Okay.
And it will do whatever you mentioned in line number 4 or inside a body of that function. Okay.
Okay.
Save this, save this file, control S. Yes, go to go to this HTML file, because as you are able to see line number 1 in main.js, line number 1, if you say it's looking for a ID, but this box or this thing is looking for BTN ID there. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It
BTN
should be,
ID.
yeah, it should be available on your HTML part. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you will what you will do? You will
It'll
create a
create a
button.
button. Yes.
Yes, you need to create a button with the ID this BTN.
Okay. So we can create as let
No,
BTN.
no, but button is a tag. HTML and JavaScript both are different. Create a button tag, yes, and assign a ID to button.
ID is equal to BTN.
Inside circle this, yes, and give a name value, yes, what it will display. What
Click.
it will display.
It will display as click or
Yes, click me whatever you want to display to the user.
hmm, and give as click me paste. Yep. So I have created
Now,
one.
hold on. Now you link your file to this HTML, because mind is different. Mind is lie into your main.js. Am I right?
Yeah.
No, no, no. Hold on. Don't be in a rush. Remove
Hmm.
that. So now to connect your mind with your body, you need to use script tag, not link tag. Makes sense.
Oh.
And because you are going in a order, so body is there. Okay, you require the mind, means that time your structure is ready, means button have button is available with the ID. And
Hmm.
am I right? So
Yeah.
after body you need to introduce your mind, JavaScript, I mean to say Java, after body, line number 14, after line number 14, when body is
Oh.
done.
Oh. Here we need to create a script.
Yes.
Inside script.
Now,
we-
inside a starting, there is an attribute called src, space
Oh.
src. Yes.
And we
File
can
name. File
take
name.
the file name here.
Yes. It will give you a
Oh.
reference there. It will give you a reference there. Type m main.js. Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, save this and run. Right click and run. Click. Right click. First right click. Right click and open in inspect mode. So you are means just click on this console next icon in after element there is a terminal icon. Yes, click on that. Now click. When you click it will increase, the count will increase. Button click.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now move ahead for another practical thing.
Okay.
MD file. If you have any question or concern, feel free to ask.
So here button get element button. By clicking, it will call this one. Okay. And we haven't declared the function, right?
It's there only. This is,
Okay.
you can check it's there. You copied the same thing. So
Yeah.
it's a inline function. Inline function you are defining and calling at the same time.
Okay.
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 If you want to do this, you can just get this out in a main.js, get this out, and you can call that as well. No, in a there only in a code main.js file. If you want to make this separate, then cut this. You can say line number curly braces till line number 5 curly braces. Cut this function
Number 5 curly braces.
till curly braces. Cut this.
Yeah.
Yes, cut. No.
Function.
Line number enter. Press enter from here. Press enter.
Which
Press
one?
enter.
Line
No.
3?
Line number 3 before function. Before function. Press enter. Now cut this function. Line number
Yeah.
6 to 8. Cut
Line number
6 to 8.
Yeah.
Cut. And after line number 8, press enter. Paste here. Paste that. Cut. Yeah, no, paste after that line. Yes. Now give a name. Let's say button click. After
1 minute.
function, give a name to this function.
After function, button name something.
Clicked. Button clicked. Button clicked.
Okay.
Clicked. Okay. Now just
And
means call here. No. Comma.
comma. Yeah.
Button click. Button click.
Okay.
Type button click. Type button
Yeah.
click.
Typing.
Type B. Yes. That's it.
Okay.
Save this and run your program. No, there is no need to call this.
But closing bracket. Okay, we have closing already there. Right.
Just keep this in a single line and save and run and check same behavior is working or not. HTML, no HTML. It's already there. You need to go to the browser and check that.
Yeah.
No, just click on this terminal icon and click on a button and check.
Yeah. 2,
It's
3,
working?
4 buttons. Yeah, it is working too.
Okay. Now move to next and do the other practical things mentioned in your event.md file.
Okay. So next one is submit event. So get form. So we need to create form. In this function. Okay. So now I'm going to put this thing in JavaScript. But in this I need to create one form here. So the form will be created inside body.
Yes, go ahead.
So for a form, inside the form, okay, I will create one. Is it what is that? Submit.
Hold on. Think, check this and understand what they require. Okay.
Okay. So they are here. What they are calling is form. So there is an ID called form. So they are identifying and assigning that to form variable here.
Okay.
Add event listener. When you click on submit button, function event will happen. Function event will be activated.
This is the same thing
So,
which you done earlier.
yeah. Function event.
Now you need to
And
replicate this.
go here. Same thing is button ID submit.
Check your instruction carefully, please. Right now you're dealing with a form, not a button.
Form here, then submit.
I am repeating myself again. Right now you're dealing with a form, not a single button. Here you need to learn how to deal with a form, not a single button.
Okay. So this is wrong. There is button at all then. There is form means there will be different elements.
Form is you're already taken a form. Why you are not giving a ID to the form? Why you are rushing behind for button?
Mm.
ID is equal to form because we need to work with form. Okay.
Yeah.
Now form can have a multiple inputs. Let's take two inputs there. Okay. And you can say placeholder is enter email ID.
Okay.
Placeholder. No. Hold on. Placeholder is another attribute. Type is a one attribute, another attribute. Placeholder.
So type what can I give here?
Test. It will take an input test. Okay.
Okay. Text, then placeholder
Yes.
is equal to
Is equal to enter email ID. Enter email ID. Enter email. Okay. And copy this. Paste one more time. Hold password. Placeholder change. Enter password. No. Enter password. And give a name to these elements. Name attribute as well.
for both.
Yes, both. Name is email. And the second name is, you can say, password. Yes, password. And after that, paste one more time whatever you copied, input thing. Close close these two panels, which is right and left, Copilot one and this one. We are not interested in this.
Yep.
Paste one more time. So here, what you will do? Hold on. Take a value here.
Value placeholder remove.
No, remove this value.
Mm.
Is equal to this. You can say submit. S is capital.
Mm.
And type, change the type.
Mm.
Change the type
Type, yeah.
to, you can say, no, remove that type. Just control this. You can say input type is, you can say, no, go there only.
Input type.
Okay, type is, no, go to this only. Here you will, at the place of input, use button.
Okay.
Use button.
Mm.
button. Type is control
on
space, control space. Button submit. Okay. Now close this button.
close this button. Yeah.
That's it. Only
Ah,
once. You need to close only once.
yeah.
Now, you can say inside a button, you will type submit.
Yeah.
Save this. Both the files. Save both the files. Both the files. Save all. Yes. Now check the out. Check your HTML. HTML. Open a terminal. Open a terminal, please. Now click. Enter this. Enter your password. Now click on this. Submit. Form
Ah,
submitted.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you learn from these two practical things?
So one is submitting the form, like entering all the details in the web page, and once you submitted, the all the details will be submitted through the submit button in the form.
Check
And
both. Yes, go ahead. Sorry.
other one is we were like counting how many clicks we have done through the button. Like once you click, there was no any data to be filled or clicked. Just a button click count we have learned.
You learned how to means link mind and structure. Okay.
Yep.
And how they will identify your mind, how your mind will identify a element on your web page. Okay.
Yep.
And if you want to do something, how you can make a interactivity, how you can means attach, how you can use a glue there with the
Um.
help of events. Makes sense?
y- Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes. This is all the events, and in the main function of event is there. Add listener submit function of event. So what is this event? This is submit event.
Yes. If
Okay.
you will need to print this at the place of submit, change the print event only. Then you are able to see, you will see everything there. No. Line number 14.
Okay.
Line number 14. At the place of for form submit,
Mm,
why you change that to event? It should be submit only.
yep.
Line number 14, just change this test to event, pass a event only, event variable. At the place of form submitted, no,
Mm,
only test only. Why you
yeah.
remove that at the
Event.
place? Event only.
Event.
Now
Yeah.
run and check this. What is this? Okay.
Mm,
Try to use shortcut, Control Shift S to save all.
okay. Control Shift S. Yes. Okay. Next live we have see button click. The count is generated and enter the email and password and click on submit.
Now you are able to see. You are able to
Yeah.
get a whole form. Whole form. Makes sense.
Yeah.
And in a whole form, you are able to see target. Now print a target there. Check the target. Check the target. Target,
Target
target,
form.
target.
Form is there. Target. Target
Expand
form.
this. Please expand. Please expand this. Please expand.
Yeah.
And expand this target.
Target.
Expand this target. Below is
Yeah.
a target. Now you are able to see everything, whatever you mentioned is there. Makes sense?
Mm,
Even
yeah.
though whatever you enter, you are able to see everything in this form only. Hold on. Go up, go up, go up. Click on this first input. 0, 0, 0, 0. No. Yes. Click. Now you are able to see attributes are there. Placeholder, name, attributes. Expand this attributes. So
Yeah.
hold on. Hold on. Attribute type is placeholder, name, type is there. Okay. So this is a thing. Okay. So at the
Mm.
place of that event, use target. Use target there.
Where
Target
in the code
in a code. Yes.
instead of event you
Event dot target. Event dot target.
okay event dot target.
Dot value. Target dot value. Target dot value. Now run. Check the output on a inspect panel.
No, here you can refresh it, right? Yeah.
Yes, here only you can refresh. It's undefined. Okay, remove that value. Just go with the target only
Okay.
in a code. Okay. Now use email there. Dot email. Go there. Go there in a code. Use email. No, target dot email. Target dot email.
No. Dot email.
Now go to and check that. Enter your email.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Now dot value. Go with the value. See if this value is there or not.
Value it is.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So whatever you are doing in HTML, you have a full control in a JavaScript. Makes sense.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead with your next example. And if you have any question or concern, feel free to ask.
Sure. Event next is submit event is then real login user. So you need to create one login user. Here go here main.js. Here login button dot add one in user. So here you create one more button for the login
How you
user.
will do that?
So you will create one button called login user in HTML file. Okay.
I don't
So
know. You know how you can create a button, how you can provide the ID, and how you can link. You already know. Just you need to show me how you can do that.
okay, here again one button. I'm taking one button. In the button, creating ID is equal to uh, login button ID is equal to login ID is equal to login user. Login user.
Check this. Check this. Don't be. We are not in rush. Please check carefully what you are doing and why you are doing.
Okay, login button name is login button btn. Okay. Mm. Here they are given directly login button. There is initialized to any of the variable. And this to
Yes,
one
if it's
variable.
not there, then if it's not there, then it's your responsibility because you
Constant.
already know.
Yeah.
Kumar, please check your previous example carefully and then you go for solution. Don't go blindly, please. You already did done two examples successfully. Now it's a new example. You need to fill something. Some gaps are there. You need to fill those gaps by your own. Okay. First, you
Yeah.
need to identify what are the gaps which you need to fill.
Okay.
Don't go blindly.
Okay. Now here I need to call the get element ID first before calling that content, like button one equals document. From the document dot I'll get the element ID from HTML as um, btn. Okay. Then
Hold on. Hold on. Check line number 1 and check line number 70. What you understand and what is the difference there? Is
F.
this BTN? Because here, line number 18, your variable name is already mentioned. Why you are taking another variable name?
Okay, this is login button.
Now
Okay.
hold on. Yes, line number 17, button at the place of button 1, use this name, please.
Okay.
And go to HTML and create a button with the ID, whatever ID you are looking for.
Yeah.
Given, yes, login, meaningful name, login. Okay, now
Mm.
you have a, you can say now both are worked. Now your button is identified by your mind. Am I right? Or
Yeah.
JS file means as to this mind, web page mind, able to understand what is login button. Okay.
Yep.
Now we need to provide action, what it will do when it's clicked. So you need to go there main.js and tell me how you will define action there.
So here click login user is there. We need to write one function. So you need to give one login function. Like for example, function is you will be doing some action on login user. Login user. Here I can apply some action like logged in successfully. Console like console dot log.
Typo
Right.
mistake is there in your name. Login user. S is small there, which you are
Okay.
calling. Then you are calling with the S small. Now you are typing S capital
Okay, 1 minute.
in line number 19.
Okay. Sorry. Login user. Yep. Login user. So I'm once this function is called, it will once the function will be activated. Then this will display.
Okay, now just check.
And that will Control Shift and yes for save all,
Control
right?
Shift S. Yes.
Control
Control
Shift.
Shift S.
Control Shift yes. It is taking me to the.
No. Okay. Leave it. Whatever you're doing, just do that.
Here, Control Shift yes is Control plus K yes. Oh no.
It's done. No worries. No, it's done.
Hmm.
Just check the output.
Yeah. So I can see the login here. Login successfully, and it gives the counts on
Oh,
my time.
yes. Congratulations, Kumar. You did it. Just focus on the concept. Okay. Don't try to memorize the thing. Just
Okay.
focus and learn the concept. Don't try to memorize.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Now you are comfortable to write any event thing or not. Just few steps
Yeah.
are there which you need to take care. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go ahead. Go ahead.
Hmm. We can directly give this function inline function here only and display the out. Okay. Next I'll go. Next event I'll go. Next is form validation. So you have got form validation here. Go to
This is a
main.
next level thing. This is a next level thing. Here you need to actual validate the things.
Hmm.
Makes sense. Now you will not go with a console.log. Here you need to actual validate whatever means things are not null or empty.
Hmm.
Or means value should be there. You need to validate. You can use a existing form. Why you are repeating this again and again? You can use existing form. You already have an existing form with you. Am I right? With the
Yeah.
email and password. Use that. It's already there in this form in this page only.
Yeah. Yeah. HTML here it is there. We
Yes.
can use the form
And
directly.
you already there, code is already there. You need to just write a new method and valid and write a logic for validation.
Yeah. So we have got form. Before form, we need to write const is equal to const form, because the form we are declaring
Why?
here.
Why, man? It's already there with you. Line number 10. You can check.
Constant is used only once, right?
Because you already have that variable which you require. Why you are creating second time?
Okay. So we have constant form. Then the form event validate form is there.
Hold on.
But
Check the line number 12 and 15. Both are same. The only difference is function call, which you are calling. Excellent. Line number 12 and 25 is the same. Why you are required two lines now?
yeah. So submit, but this is different method.
You
Validate
need
form
to
is
yes, you need to create that method only, which is a new. Makes sense.
yeah.
And at the
So
place of calling that method, line number this, which is a inline one, you need to create your own method. Remove this
oh,
line number 25.
25. Remove 25.
Yes.
So here function, I'll create one more function. Has validate form. And inside I need to write email. If Um, suppose if
How you will get an email? How you will get the email value?
by entering the details, entering if email is equal to Kumar dot,
How? How? In this line number 27, how you will get that value?
we will call that event handler, event listener.
Here you are passing somewhere event listener. How you will get an event in this method? Line number 12, go to line number 12 and after function, copy that parenthesis and curly braces everything. Just no. Yes, yes. Copy this. Copy. No, 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 no. Not line number 15. Part of the body only. Line number
Mm,
13 and 14 only. 13 and 14. 13 and
okay.
14. Cut. Paste here. Now you will line number 15 as a parameter. You pass that event.
Line number 15 as a
25,
parameter
20, 25, 25. Line number 25.
event.
Pass. Yes. And remove that function. Line number 12. Remove that function and its body. Function and its body. Remove that.
This one.
No. Only function and its body. Not submit and other thing. No. Function event. That's body part only.
Function event. This only this event.
Line number 12. Are you able to see function keyword? Line number 12, function keyword. Start from there. 12, function keyword.
Yeah, function. No, line number 12 is this one.
Yes,
Form.
function. Are you able to see function keyword there or not?
Yeah, function.
Yes. Till curly brace. Line number 15, ending of the body of your this method. Yes. Remove that. Remove that. Call validate. Validate form. Comma validate form. After that, comma
Yeah,
validate form. Okay.
yeah,
Now you know how now in this line number 27. No, there is
yeah.
no need to do anything. Line number 7, you are able to see how you will get a value. Line number 27.
Mm.
Remove this
So,
console thing.
yeah,
Same way you can get other values as well. Make sense?
okay. Console, remove console. Yes, I've removed.
Just assign that to make if event dot target event dot target dot email dot value is equal to empty string is equal to empty string. I am saying empty string. You don't need to write empty.
Mm.
Put a double quotes without any value. Okay.
Mm.
And start the curly braces. No, alert window dot alert window dot alert in a double quote enter email is required field. Email is required field. Double D is there. Typo mistake. Okay, now it's failed. Okay. Now in a next, copy this 27 to 30.
27
Copy
to.
this.
Okay.
If condition, copy this volume. Paste one more time.
After curly braces.
Copy yes after curly braces. After curly braces. Yes, use after curly braces. Yes. Use else. Before if, use else.
Yeah.
Else if. I want else if there. Else if. Keep this in a single line. Keep this in a single line. Line number 32 and 33. Keep in a single line.
And save.
Space is required. Else if space is required. Here, password is required. Password is required. Password is required.
But
Now,
here we set value, but we should change it to password value, right? Here.
yes. You're right. Now, in a last console.log,
Okay.
yes, you will mention this login successful. Or you can print the user values as well. It's totally up to you.
Where
After
can I
line number
print?
35, where? After line number
Mm.
35.
Yeah.
Now save and check. Now press without feeling anything. Just press your submit button. Remove the, you can say, email first. Remove the email. Remove the email. Now
We'll
click on
get the
submit.
alert. Submit. You should get alert, window alert.
It's not working. Okay, go there. Go to your code. It's not working. So value, email values, event dot target values. Remove this as space. Remove this space between parent this the yes
Mm.
double quotes. Remove this. Remove that as well. Now check save and check.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Now enter email and leave password blank.
Okay.
Okay.
Login
Now
successful.
move ahead. Now under going through the concept again, because you need to rest of the things you need to do as a homework.
Okay. So at validate form, we are validating the email ID and password. Add to cart,
You
what we are
can validate
adding.
anything. It's totally up to you. Means in a ad, let's say you have a form, okay,
Mm.
and there you are means have a, you can say, list of product. Assume when you click
Mm.
on any product, it should be added in this.
Okay.
Or you can take a form of, you can say form. Hey, let's say you have a form. When you click on that button, it should be added. Multiple item you can add. Okay.
Sure.
You can take this as assignment. Go ahead and go through the theory, common mistake and things quickly.
Okay. Go through which one?
Common
Common
mistake
mistake.
in a theory part.
Yeah.
Because now you are confident to do the practical, just go into the theory so that we are able to complete this.
Okay. Here, 1 minute. On the click, we will be creating add to cart. So we need to implement some function while clicking add to cart. What it does, that we will be
Yes.
adding here. And for the search item, there is input. So for example, you have a list of item displayed in your website. If you enter the
No,
search item in a search
no,
box.
no. This is a new event called input. Earlier
Hmm.
you worked the click and submit. Now it's a different input. Like you have a search field. When you type start searching or type something, it will give you a result immediately.
Okay.
You need to print that. Whatever user is typing, you need to print that. That's the only thing. Okay.
Okay. So common mistakes. Forgetting event dot prevent default. Yes, I did forget that one. Correct. Page reloads unexpectedly. Correct. Then using inline functions. Yes, and this is better. Button on click is equal to do something
Which is not.
this,
This is not a good thing. This is a
no
common mistake.
HTML common mistake, but yeah, it is in HTML. What we are writing here is writing function in inline function in HTML file.
Which is not recommended. Not scalable.
Yeah. Not scalable. Adding multiple listeners unnecessarily. So event listeners. Uh,
If you,
yeah,
let's say you have a button and you are applying different event there, this is useless. Why you are doing that?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So event listener. Then removing listeners memory issues, not removing listeners, multiple listeners, and deep concepts, event bubbling. So event travels, child and parent, JavaScript div dot add listener click. This is one of method declaration console.log of div. So what here it does, the div means the section will be
Parent
highlighted
one.
or block.
Parent one. Yes,
Yeah,
parent one.
parent block. It will display console.log parent block. When you click, it will display the parent log here. And this is function declaration, inline function, but there is no function name. We
Arrow.
can declare
This arrow function. This is a
arrow.
different arrow function. Which we
Okay.
learn. Which we learn.
Okay. Clicking button logs. Button and dev. Click on buttons, it will go. Then event cap. Parent and child. Parent and child. Div dot event handler click handler comma true. This click OK when you click action. Handler true. So
Let
something
me tell you. This is the same thing function which we are writing for handling the event. When it's occur, what we will do there? Okay, handler is that thing. And the event object, which we discussed in line number 181, we have a target where we will get an object there. Makes sense? Like whole
yeah.
form. Okay, go down.
Then event object JavaScript. Button event add event listener click function event. So you're calling event dot target. Event dot if you call target, you will all the attributes like email, password, what all the details
Everything
in the page. It will
for
get
that
you here.
for that element. For that element. Okay.
Yeah.
And event
Yeah.
delegation is a parent label. Let's say you have a event applied on a parent and you are delegating that to a child. Okay. So right now in a list, if you have a list, you will apply a event on a list and it is applicable for your child as well. And in a child, you will check this. Whatever item is clicked, based on that, you will perform action. Okay.
Oh, sure.
This is event delegation. Now you can check the MCQ by your own and done all the things by your own, means assignment and thing. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Assignment. These are the assignment. Okay.
Mm.
Hope you are able to do that by your own.
Yeah, I'll do it today.
Let
Okay.
me.
Only 3 assignment, right?